Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling live photo and selecting the lens that matches subject distance. Do this now so you capture context plus motion. Once done, tap to lock focus and AE/AF. This keeps the subject sharp during the 1.5-second pre- and post frames. Make sure to stabilize your device. A small tripod or brace reduces blur. You'll also decide whether to use burst for fast action or single live photo for subtle movement, because that affects editing flexibility later. Now you execute the capture. Anticipate the in vivo motion and pre-focus, where the action will occur so live photo records useful pre-roll frames. Once you press the shutter, keep the camera steady and follow subject movement smoothly. This reduces motion artifacts across the 3-second clip. Make sure lighting is consistent, continuous, or higher ISO with a faster shutter helps preserve detail. Also check framing. Live photo records surroundings, so avoid distracting backgrounds that will show in the motion. Finish by editing the live photo. Press Edit, choose a key photo, and trim unwanted frames so the motion starts at the right moment. Once trimmed, you can apply loop, bounce, or long exposure to emphasize motion, then export as GIF or video for easy sharing. Make sure export settings preserve resolution. If you see ghosting or artifacting, troubleshoot by increasing shutter speed, improving lighting, or stabilizing better, and then reshoot. Those changes directly reduce motion blur and frame mismatch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.